Sticks, stones, guns, and bombs were all used in the UP Panchayat block elections as the ruling BJP claimed a historic victory on Saturday. Counting of votes for the 476 posts of block Panchayat chiefs has concluded, reports said, after the polling ended at 3 pm on Saturday. While opposition parties including former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party alleged widespread rigging and manipulation by the BJP, the ruling party claimed a historic victory. In the elections for block Panchayat chiefs, the BJP is winning more than 635 seats with its allies and supporters. This number will increase further after the final results are out, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said at a news conference. There were reports of violence from the Hamirpur district where opposition Samajwadi Party workers alleged that BJP activists attacked them with sticks and stopped their voters from reaching the polling booths. Policemen were also beaten up in the clash and vehicles damaged. In Hathras, a Samajwadi Party leader was injured after being shot. In Chandauli district, BJP and Samajwadi workers clashed with incidents of stone throwing and motorcycles being vandalized. The police had to use sticks to beat back the fighting political workers. Similar incidents were reported in at least 17 districts including Etawah, Ayodhya, Prayagraj, Aligarh, Pratapgarh and Sonbhadra. In Aligarh, a BJP leader was seen in a video yelling at a magistrate. The police and the administration have been slammed for failing to stop the violence that erupted long before voting day. Many Samajwadi leaders posted videos of the clashes and accused the BJP of influencing the voting with attacks. In one of the videos, a senior police officer in Etawah was heard complaining to a senior that he was slapped by supporters of the BJP. These people are throwing bricks and stones, sir. They even slapped me. They brought bombs as well. People from BJP, MLA and district chief. Superintendent of Police City, Prashant Kumar, is heard saying in the video that has been now widely shared on social media. A TV journalist in Unnao was seen being mercilessly beaten up by a senior bureaucrat in another video. Earlier, a video of a woman being manhandled and pulled by several men in UP's Kheri district while she tried to enter the nomination center had gone viral. Opposition parties, including the Samajwadi Party, the Bahujan Samaj Party and the Congress, have accused the ruling BJP of stomping on democratic principles and attacked it for allegedly showing utter disrespect to women during the election process. They accused the government of misusing power and official machinery in the Panchayat elections. Hitting out at the BJP government, BSP chief Mayawati alleged that there is Jungle Raj in the state. In a tweet in Hindi on Saturday, she said, "In the reign of the BJP in UP, there is no rule of law, but a Jungle Raj is prevailing there, under which there has been widespread violence in the Panchayat polls and there was indecent behavior with a woman in Lakhimpur Kheri." Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also targeted the UP government over the violence in the polls. People voted and elected BDC. Yogi Ji's Jungle Raj threatened him with bullets, bombs, stones, sticks, kidnapped him, misbehaved with female members. Yogi Ji's Jungle Raj has dominated the democracy with the power of votes. They should keep in mind that this country, its democracy, its people are bigger than them.
का पूरा पत्थर था, रीटा पत्थर मुझे थप्पड़ मारा इन्होंने सर। ये लोग बम भी लेकर आए थे सर, बीजेपी वाले विधायक और जिला विमल भी है सर। हाँ, उनके साथ विमल भदौरिया था।
पता है, इन सब लोगों में एक चीज कॉमन है। गैस करिए क्या? नहीं पता? चलिए एक हिंट देती हूँ। ये सब आपके परिवार से जुड़े हैं। अरे, फिर भी नहीं पहचाना आपने इन्हें? चलिए कोई बात नहीं। वैसे भी ये लोग पर्दे के पीछे ही तो काम करते थे। इन सब की डेथ हो गई है कोविड से, ताकि आप और आपका परिवार सेफ रह सके। और यही तो है परिवार का मतलब, अपनों की रक्षा करना। जो हमारे लिए जान दे सकते हैं वो अपने सगे नहीं तो फिर कौन है? मुंबई पुलिस।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.